Hello, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Welcome. It is Monday, and that means it's Make It in Minutes Monday. We're so happy you're here. Today we're going to be making this cute card right here. Super simple. It's one of our new suites that we have. It's the Prize Peony, and it has matching dies that go with it as well. And they're just called the Peony dies. And we're going to be using this, the largest die in the set, and then we're also going to be using the scalloped bottom as well. What I did ahead of time is I went and took our designer series paper. It measures 3 3/4 by 5, and then we just laid this on the bottom of the designer series paper and ran it through your die cutting machine, and we have that edge. So to get us started, we're going to be using some Memento ink. We're going to stamp up our flower. We're going to just stamp that on a piece of Whisper White. And being that I prepared ahead of time, I have a piece already die cut all for us. Now, what we're going to need is our ink. We're going to need 2 markers, 2 colors actually. We're going to need the dark and light petal pink, and we're going to need the light and dark of the old olive. And to start off with, I like to start with the light, then I like to do the shading in with the darker color, and then I like to go over it again with the lighter color. So we're just going to go ahead and color up this flower. Now we're going to take our black piece and we're going to use the saying, love and thanks to a dear friend. We're going to get our Versamark and we're going to do a little bit of embossing. We're going to take our embossing buddy and run that over real quick. We're going to take our Versamark and we're just going to stamp this right on here. Okay. Now, what this Versamark does is it leaves it a little sticky so that any embossing powder will stick to it. We're going to take our strip of paper, and you can kind of see that wetness still there. And we're going to go over it with the powder. For the next piece, we're going to heat this up. You're going to need a nice heating tool. I know some people have used hair dryers before, but they don't get hot enough. Next, we're going to just fussy cut this out. Now we're ready to assemble our card. You're going to need a piece of Whisper White that measures 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2. You're going to want to give that a good burnish on the corner here. Okay. Then we're going to take some tape. We got our new Stampin' Seal. Place that right on the front. Another thing that comes in the suite of products with this peony are these vellum square doilies, excuse me. Aren't they adorable? I absolutely love them. Okay. Now, to put adhesive on, just to save time, I'm just going to go ahead and use our silicone mat, and I'm just going to run a little bit of tape on the back of this. And what that's going to do is it's just going to create a sticky area, and I'm going to lay this on, I don't know, at an angle like this, and push down. Now what's going to happen with that sticky spot, I'm going to have my flower covering up that area, so we won't need to worry about that. Just saves a little bit of time. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put adhesive on the back of our flower. And now we're going to put dimensionals up on the saying. I am going to be using the mini dimensionals on this one. And then last but not least, we're going to use these gorgeous, elegant faceted gems. And voila, we're done. Super fast, super easy card. It definitely helps to have the die cutting and the coloring or whatever. That takes a little bit more time, but if you have everything prepped beforehand, it shouldn't take you that long at all to put this together. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And then also, we're going to have measurements posted on a blog, so make sure you check below and find that link to our blog. We hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.